I have told you that we are going to solve the quadratic equation by another method, that is completing the square method. The method is completing the square method. So in class 8 also we have read there are two identities are there, the square identities, that is a plus b whole square, another is a minus b whole square. Okay, so that is what is this? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, these two things are there and both are having squares. Okay, so by the help of these two formulas we are going to solve the quadratic equation, that is, and the method name is completing the square. Then whatever the quadratic equations are given there, so we'll have to convert the equation into these two forms. Okay, so let's try. Okay, first of all we are going to derive the formula. Okay, or derive the things, whatever the things, how we convert the things into that forms. Okay, that things we are going to learn. So whatever the quadratic equation is given there, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. So in this case you will have to do, what we will have to do, take c to that side, so it will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, sorry, not c, minus, it will be minus c, right? Now whatever the coefficient of x is here, whatever the coefficient of x is here, divide the coefficient of x, divide coefficient of x, okay, in this equation, in above equation. Okay, so it will be a x square divided by 8, it will be x square plus b by ax equal to minus c by a. Okay, so now what is the third thing we are going to do, that we are going to create, or we are going to make this thing into either this form or this form. But here plus is here, plus is given here, so we will have to convert these things into a plus b whole square. So it will be a square plus 2ab na, 2 into x, 2 into x. We have got the x, but here I have multiplied 2, so it will be b by 2a. Okay, if we cancel these two, b by ax, I have multiplied 2 and divide also 2. Okay, so this term and this term is same. If we will cancel out these two 2's, then we will get the same term. So here we will get b as b plus 2a. So here b by 2a whole square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we add this one thing to this side, so for balance the equation, we will have to add another b by 2a whole square to another side minus c by a. Okay, if we cancel out these two things, or here two 2's, then we will get the same equation. That's why for balancing the equation I will have to add this side also and this side also. Okay, that is the thing. Now this can be written as x plus b by 2a, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, if I will take out the square, it will be b square by 4a square minus c by. Okay, now this will be x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, this will be 4a square is the LCM, this is b square minus, take the LCM, a cancel, this is 4a c. Okay, now what will you do, this is take the square root, so it will be x plus b by 2a is equal to, x plus b by 2a is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square root over. Okay, so whenever root over is there, x plus b by 2a is equal to, this will be plus minus b square minus 4ac root over by, root over of 4 is 2, root over of a square is a. Okay, so now we will have to find the value of x. So x equal to, this, take this term to that side, minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, here the root over is there. So you will get x equal to, take the LCM, 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Okay, you get the value of x. So here plus minus is there, so we can get in the previous I have told you that is first one is alpha minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the complete procedure of solving quadratic equation by completing the square method. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood about this, and please go through it. It is a very easy concept, and question will also comes in your exam. Okay, on the basis of this section. So we will do a example on the basis of this question. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Okay, now we are going to do an example on the basis of completing the square method. How can we solve a quadratic equation with the help of completing the square? It is the example. Okay, so what are the first step? That is, first of all, we will write this one. Take c. This one is c na, minus 10x is equal to 2. Okay, so here the coefficient of x square is 1. So we will have nothing to divide here. So now we will have to write this one as in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. But here negative sign is given, so we will have to make this equation, this side of this equation, into a minus b whole square. So a is x here minus 2a. How much I will multiply with 2x? So it will be 10x. It will be 5. Okay. So we will get the b 5. So it is 5 square. Okay. And you have added how much? 5 square is this side to add again 5 square plus 2. Okay, so now this will be x minus 5 whole square, right, is equal to 25 plus 2. So this will be x plus 5 whole square is equal to 27. Now this will be x plus 5 is equal to how much? 27 root over. What is the root over of 27? That is 3 root 3. But it will be plus minus. Root over is here na. So now x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 3 root 3. Okay. So now we have got plus minus, so alpha is equal to minus 5 plus 3 root 3, and beta is equal to, that is minus 5 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Hope all of you have understood this one, right? This is a very easy concept. You will have to first take the c to another side, divide the coefficient of x in the next equation. So you will get here coefficient of x is 1. So we will nothing to divide here, and convert as per this side, as into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay, then do the things.